Is your AC not cooling properly? It might be low refrigerant gas. In this video, I'll show you how to check and recharge AC gas safely and effectively. First, here are the tools you'll need: a manifold gauge set, refrigerant gas cylinder, safety gloves, and goggles. Step 1. Turn off the power supply to the AC unit and connect the blue hose to the low-pressure port. Step 2. Turn on the AC, set it to the lowest temperature, and check the pressure after 5 to 10 minutes. Step 3. If the pressure is low, connect the yellow hose to the refrigerant cylinder and open the gas valve slowly. Step 4. Monitor the gauge while recharging and do not overfill. Stay within the recommended PSI level. Step 5. After charging, close the valve, disconnect hoses, and check cooling performance. Always check for gas leaks with soap solution, and if unsure, call a professional. I hope this video helped you understand how to recharge AC gas the right way. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.